Part 1. Preparing the headlight unit. Prep the brackets. Find the 4 silver bushings. Take out the 4 screws from the light base, and then place the bushings onto the light base. Make sure they are aligned. Add washers. Place the new main bracket on top. Now, find the 12 small washers. You'll need to stack 3 washers onto each of the 4 mounting posts. Attach the brackets. Use the 4M4x30 screws to secure the main bracket. All 4 of these screws are installed the same way. Part 2. Attaching the light cover. Cover alignment. Take the light cover. Make sure the oval-shaped hole is facing the direction of the wire. Securing the cover. Use the 2M5 screws to tighten the cover. Try to aim the light slightly downwards so it shines on the ground. Install the top cover, hood. Find the 4 black pieces for the top cover. Thread them from the outside to the inside. Final bracket assembly. Put on the 2 other brackets. Make sure the shorter ends are on the bottom. Washers and nuts. Grab an M6 washer and a spring washer and put them together as a set. Thread them through the bracket. Check tightness. Tighten everything down, and the top cover is complete. Part 3. Mounting the unit to the bike. Prepare the clamps. Find the 4 rubber strips and stick them onto the bike's shock absorber. Then, insert the 4 clamps onto the shock absorber. Clamp position. Adjust the size of the clamps to fit your fork. You usually want to position them on the second to last notch. Make sure the distance between the clamps matches the holes on the headlight bracket. Mount the bracket. Now, find the 4 nuts that are inside the clamps, don't lose them. Align the headlight bracket to the clamps. Use the hardware. Find the M6x30 cap head screw. Thread the screw through, and take your time when tightening it. Prevent loosening. Even though the clamps have threads, you should still put a nut on the back of the screw before tightening it fully. We'll send you some thread locker to put on the screw threads to keep them from vibrating loose. Part 4. Final headlight and windshield. Install the main light. Take the main light unit and snap it directly onto the bracket. Make sure the hole is facing down. Secure the light. Use the 4 silver bolts and nuts to secure the main light. Thread the bolts through, put the nuts on, and then place the cover over the nuts. Adjust the angle. Use a wrench to lift the light slightly so it is positioned correctly, and then tighten the bolts. Connect the wires. The power plug for the new light plugs directly into your original headlight plug. No cutting or splicing is needed. Final screws. Put the remaining piece on, snap the final cover on, and use the short silver M10 external hex screw with a washer to tighten it. Do this on both sides. Final check. Adjust the position. You're done.